Shalom, family. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Praise Yahweh. Welcome to another episode with Bakaleb Consulting. You can reach us at consultant@bakalebconsulting.com or go on the website. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comment. Praise Yahweh. Let's go. Next, part one. We are going to discuss businesses least likely to fail in the age of AI. I know you're saying AI is going to replace you, AI is going to put your business out of service. No, it's not. Stay tuned. Let's go. These are the businesses. If you haven't started one yet, you might want to start one of these companies. Let's go. And of course, we start with a scripture, Proverbs 22:29. Seest thou a man diligent in his business? He shall stand before kings. He shall not stand before mean men. Diligence is what makes a business AI proof. Yahweh promises that anyone who's excellent in their work will always be in demand. Regardless of technology, economy, or competition, excellence make you unreplaceable. So go ahead and sing the song that you're irreplaceable. Yes, you are. You're unreplaceable. Your skill, your wisdom, your compassion, and leadership cannot be replaced by machines. You have that human touch. And some of those businesses that need a human touch that AI can diagnose, but it cannot fix these problems. We are going to say plumbing, electrical work, HVAC, appliance repair, auto repair, roofing, handyman services. So, go to trade school, get a skill, get your certificate, and start one of these companies. These businesses are currently in demand and AI cannot replace you. Let's go. Healthcare and personal care services. You talk about home health aides, senior care, nursing support, physical therapy aides, mental health counseling, midwives and doula, and assisted living services. Human care cannot be automated. Okay. Then, food production, distribution, and local supply chain. You may say, well, no, AI can do that. Hold on. AI cannot grow, prepare, deliver, and cook everything physically now. You're going to have to be there. These businesses that are going to thrive in the age of AI, you talk about food prep, meal delivery, grocery delivery, small food warehouses, catering, urban farming, and food distribution. Food is recession proof and AI resistant. And of course, here we go. Transportation and logistics. Even with automations, humans are still needed. Courier services, freight brokerage, trucking, dispatch, medical carrier, moving services. AI is not going in your house and breaking down the furniture and packing in a truck for moving. AI can sort out the packages in the warehouse, but they're not driving the truck and delivering it to you. Okay? Packages have to be moved in the real world. That's not AI. Beauty, styling, and personal appearance services. Come on. You can open any of these companies. Hairstylists, barbers, estheticians, nail techs, massage therapists, and personal trainers. These businesses are going to thrive even during this tech boom. Open one of these companies. Glory to Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. And that's just part one. Oh my gosh. I had to make this a part two video. It'd probably be part three because I have all of it. And then I also have like the minimal cost it is to set these up. A lot of these you can go to school and get a certificate, free trade schools. Get it done. You want to be a millionaire in the AI booming booming system? Go ahead and go to trade school and open one of those companies. You don't need to be an AI. Let's go. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. As always, thank you so much. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in part two.